In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate links for booked appointments with Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside your Gohighlevel sub-account, and the goal here is to set up an affiliate campaign that can be used to track and reward referrals tied to appointments. This is useful if you want partners, promoters, or affiliates to send traffic to your booking page and receive credit when appointments are booked. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side and click on Marketing. After that, go to the top menu and select Affiliate Manager. This is the area where you'll create and manage your affiliate campaigns. Once Affiliate Manager opens, click on Campaign. If this is your first time setting it up, you'll see the option to start your first affiliate campaign. Go ahead and click that. At this point, Gohighlevel may ask you to connect a payment gateway. This is important if you want to automate payouts or prepare the system for affiliate rewards. You can connect the payment gateway now if you're ready. If you'd rather finish the basic setup first, you can choose Skip and Get Started. Either option will let you continue, so just pick the one that fits your setup stage. Next, click Add to create a new campaign. You'll then be taken to the campaign creation screen where you'll add your campaign details. This is where you define the campaign clearly, so make sure the information you enter helps you easily identify what the campaign is for later. After that, choose where your affiliate link should lead. Since this setup is for booked appointments, you'll want to make sure the destination is the correct page or booking link associated with your appointment flow. This part matters because the affiliate link needs to send visitors to the right place for tracking to work properly. Once that's done, click Set Up Reward. Here, you'll define what the affiliate earns. Then move on to setting the commission. Be sure this matches the reward structure you want to offer for booked appointments, and double check your settings before continuing so you avoid confusion later. Finally, assign the affiliate. This connects the campaign to the person or partner who will be using the link. Once assigned, the affiliate link can be used for tracking referrals tied to that campaign. And that's it. You've now created the foundation for affiliate links for booked appointments inside Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, before sharing the link, review the campaign settings one more time to make sure the destination, reward, and affiliate assignment are all correct. That way, everything is ready to track smoothly from the start.